Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing how we prepare kidney corn flour for swallow. So like this video, give a thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe so that you'll not miss any of our videos. Thank you. So my beautiful people, in today's video I'll be making kidney corn. I will be using kidney corn to make swallow, that is kidney corn flour. I'll be making kidney corn flour. So this is my kidney corn. You see how it is. I'm using white, but you can mix it to give you a fine color equally. Maybe I will mix it later in another video, but this particular one I'm using white. So what you do is when you have your kidney corn like this, you select most of the bad ones. This is it. I've finished doing the selection. But when washing it, you will also see the bad ones floating. Then you pack it. You see I have a lot of it, plenty of it here. So I've done the selection. So the next thing is to wash it. After washing, I'll dry my kidney corn, and when it is dry enough, I'll take it for blending. I'll use a commercial machine to blend it. But if you have your big machine or blender that is strong enough, you can use it. So guys, after selecting the kidney corn, I have to wash it very well, then sun dry it, then blend it for the swallow. So I'm going to wash it now very well so that there will be no dust. So this is my sieve. I'm going to sun it now and allow it to drain all the water out, as you can see. So when it is dry, I'll now blend it. After drying it, you see it's dry now, so we are going to grind it to make it swallow, to make it kidney corn flour. Kidney corn flour. After drying it, we are going to grind it and make the flour of it. Yeah guys, the kidney corn flour is ready. So look at how it is now. You see how it is. So you prepare it as if you are making semo. So when I'm going to prepare it, I will show you.